So I was born with one kidney, and in my 30s, my blood pressure really became very elevated. Woke up one morning, couldn't see out my left eye. Blood pressure was so high that it tore the retina from my eyeball. When a nephrologist came to see me, he put me on dialysis that day. So a few years into dialysis, the doctors decided that I would benefit more from a transplant. I needed to get a transplant. So many different emotions. What if it don't work? What if I never get one? What are my chances? That's how I felt, because some people just be on dialysis and never get one. During the course of my dialysis journey, I got the devastating news that I developed lymphoma. It was in my neck. After the biopsy came back, it was definitely cancerous. So I was taken off the donor list for 5 years. I had to be clear for 5 years. After a year of chemotherapy, I was placed back on the kidney transplant list. I was at dialysis getting my treatment when I received the phone call that found me a donor. When I did get the call, it was like, did he say what I think he just said? Is this happening? Me? I wanted to cry. I was approached, would I like to participate in a clinical trial? I feel like by participating, I'm helping the research team discover different ways that we can detect rejection without being subject to the biopsy, because the biopsies really expose the organ to other foreign things, other rejections, it can fail the organ altogether. My experience dealing with the clinical research team was fabulous. They were very informative. They were always available for questions. They just didn't want to do the research. They wanted me to understand it. So I appreciate that. I am now employed with Tampa General. As a matter of fact, I work on the floor where the biopsies are done. So when I do get to run into patients that are coming in for biopsies, I try to encourage them to participate in the clinical trials. They're very helpful. I'm a big advocate for it. I would tell them, don't be afraid, don't feel like a guinea pig. It's very beneficial. It's very helpful. I am very happy that Tampa General is a teaching hospital. I appreciate the fact that they don't just do medicine, that they teach and you learn. After my transplant, I must say that I feel like I'm at 100%. I feel like the rough part is over. I feel like my future is much brighter. I feel really, really good that I've done a good deed. I feel excellent. It's an awesome feeling. I'm glad I did it.